If you want me to react to your favorite artist, band, music video, whatever, just leave a request in the comments below the video and don't forget to the link. Всем привет, это KK. So today I'm watching Zhou Shen's performance on the song The Sound of Snow Falling. I had to read the translation of the lyrics because this video doesn't have subtitles. I can't say that I'm very impressed with the lyrics, it's fine, it was nice, and I'm interested how this song sounds. So Zhou Shen, The Sound of Snow Falling, let's watch. It sounds more calming than I expected.
落在我掌心，静静在掌中结冰。
哦，有想谈恋爱的感觉了。
相逢。
The way this costume looks heavy.
痛并把快乐尝尽，我慢慢地听旋落下的声音，闭着眼睛幻想它不会停，你没办法靠近，绝不是太薄情，这是贪恋窗外好风景。
I like those intonations.
声音仿佛是你贴着我脚轻轻睁开了眼睛，漫天的雪无情。 谁来陪这一生好光景？
Very nice.
明明话那么含情，
I also like those kind of
假装。
close to traditional melodies. I think they fit
真好听啊！
Zhou Shen's voice really well. Or Zhou Shen's voice fit those melodies well. I'm not sure. Yeah.
此生如纸般薄命。
I think he could go a little bit stronger in the second chorus. Because it seems like he tries to keep the song as calm and gentle as he can. That's nice.
谁来陪这一生好光景？
But it's kind of fine to make it more emotional.
谁来陪这一生好光景？
That's all, I guess. Why I don't have like the fine ending, where it is, why this performance is cut this way. It's nice, it's calming, it's comforting in a way. I'm glad that I've read the lyrics before watching this performance. It's kind of helpful to understand why melody goes the way it goes. It is a good song for Zhou Shen's voice, as I've mentioned, because of those kind of traditional hints in the melody, little traditional parts and details. He is great at performing such songs. He is good in Chinese opera. Like, it was my first reaction when he performed something from Chinese opera. And this one is also good. He has great voice, very interesting with the really, really nice highs. Even though I liked Time to Say Goodbye and others, but more kind of traditional ones, the song that has this kind of traditional Chinese feelings in their melodies. Such songs are like the best for his type of voice. Maybe because he just feels them better. I don't know his kind of origins, where he came from kind of professionally. Just those type of songs sound the best when he performs them. He just has something in his voice that fits great for such songs. I may need to listen to more of his performances to understand why it happens. Like, what is behind this phenomena? Different voices fits different styles of songs. So thank you for recommending me this performance. And of course, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye!